Everyone, good morning. Today we are going to learn about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Here hyper means a reference or a link where you want to navigate, and text means a data or information, and markup means a predefined terms already there in HTML, which are nothing but tags. We'll write all the HTML codes in tags, and language is for communication. And this HTML is developed by Berners-Lee in 1991. The main purpose of HTML is to create web pages. So what is a web page? A single page on internet. In a web page you can see text, images, videos, moving images, nothing but GIFs. For example, here I'll show you the Facebook login page. In this page you can see the image, text, and these boxes, etc. If you enter your login details in upper box, that text will takes you to another page. Similarly, Amazon, the most popular online shopping site. If you want to buy anything from this, you can enter the name here and that text will show you the desired results. Coming to the requirements of HTML, we'll write codes in text editor. So that is nothing but Notepad. Not only Notepad, Notepad++ is also preferable. So we need a web browser to get output. Example, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. So to create a web page, we'll write markup codes in a document. That document is nothing but a notepad. So that is called HTML document. Markup codes are also known as HTML elements. These elements will give a structure to the HTML documents. Here you can see the structure of a HTML document. This is a tag. This is a tag name is called opening tag. This tag is called opening tag, and this is a closing tag. And this, write your content here. This text will display on the web page. Example, title, my first web page, and a closing title. Here title or elements. This title, some elements on the HTML elements are title, headings, body, paragraphs, images, videos, etc. A tag is always enclosed in angle brackets. We'll write the tag name itself. For example, if title, that is enclosed using angle brackets. A closing tag is created by placing a /. Here you can see this is a closing tag. This is a closing tag with a /. So the content between the opening and closing tags forms an HTML element, and HTML tags are not case sensitive. That means the lowercase alphabets are same as uppercase, but lowercase is preferable. And HTML elements are of two types. First one is container elements and empty elements. Container element has opening and closing tags. Coming to empty tags, it has only opening tag. There is no closing tag for that. Example for that is title. You can see here title. So here it is opening tag and closing tag. But for empty element, there is no closing tag. Coming to the attributes. So for attributes, An attribute defines a property of an element. For example, I want my web page in red color and letters are in white color. So I'll change the property of particular element. So that is nothing but a background color. I'll change the background color. So BG color, I'll give the attribute name as BG color is red and the words are in white color. So I'll give the text as white. And HTML understands only 16 colors by name. Those are aqua, black, white, yellow, maroon, olive, red, purple, etc. So, and